In this video you will know what are the ways to join Merchant Navy. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna talking about how to join Merchant Navy. Let us know what is Merchant Navy. The Merchant Navy is the name given to the international commercial shipping industry. It is made up of several shipping companies who recruit civilians as their seafarers. Companies vary greatly in the size of ship, types of ship, and areas of the world where they operate. Now let us know how to join Merchant Navy. Steps to join the Merchant Navy in India as crew. Number 1. Open CDC. The other way to join Merchant Navy as an oiler or ordinary seaman is through Open CDC. If you do not want to do a course in GP rating, you can instead complete just 4 SDCW courses and then apply for CDC on the official DG Shipping website. This CDC is known as Open CDC. Number 2. GP rating. GP rating means General Purpose Rating. Is a 6 months residential course approved by DG Shipping. Gulf of India. GP rating syllabus includes the combined study of deck and engineering subjects. And now let us know how to join as officer. Number 1. DNS, Diploma in Nautical Science, is an undergraduate course of 1 year. The course consists of 2 semesters and provides an opportunity for Class 12 students to pursue a career as a deck officer. Number 2. BSc Nautical Science is a 3-year undergraduate program. It is a professional bachelor's degree that deals with the study of the basic academic and practical devices required to safely navigate and operate marine vehicles, such as a ship. So no, if you want to become an engineer in the ship, you can go through this. Number 1. B Marine Engineering. B Marine Engineering, or Bachelor of Engineering in Marine Engineering course, is a full-time undergraduate marine engineering program of 4 years, which is divided into 8 semesters of study. BE in Marine Engineering course is the study that deals with the production, design, development, and maintenance of the sea equipment, which are used in boats, ships, submarines, or any other water transport. Number 2. Marine Engineering course for graduates, 1-year course. Number 3. Marine Engineering course for diploma holders, 2 years. Number 4. Marine Engineering under alt training, 2 years 6 months. And now at last you want to join as cook or mess departments. Number 1. CCMC certificate course in maritime catering course aids in learning major topics like naval architecture, food productions, cargo operations, ocean structures, catering service, ship geometry, and ship maintenance. Time period of 6 months. So these are all the ways you can join Merchant and make your career in it. Hope you liked the video and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts regarding this video or Merchant Navy, you can comment below or you can directly contact me on my Instagram. Check the link in bio. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.